they do destroy the critical infrastructure, such as powers. They're not exactly targeting the power stations, because they're not so easy to target. They're normally better protected, thicker walls, and they can't be. You have to be really, really exact to destroy the power stations. So they attack transformation stations near the power stations, which are distributing electricity here or there. Yeah. And this is something that leads to it leads to huge disproportions in power consumptions in the country, and these disproportions are not because of because this distribution points, such as transformation stations, are taken out of order. Some areas can have a lot of electricity, some of them do not have enough electricity, and suddenly this link which regulates this disappears because of bombing. So on the other hand, these transformation stations is a little easier to repair than actual power station, and we are adapting. First of all, the most from what I hear, it's not very official, but from what I hear, is that once the Ukrainian army sees when the rockets are launched, and they can have a pretty fair judgment where they are targeting. Not always, but at least because the rockets they're launching, they can change their directions as they go. Yeah. So, once they are changed, the whole electricity grid of the country is put into another kind of operation, already like on standby operation. And once the rockets go, and once it becomes more evident that they target West Ukraine or South Ukraine or Central Ukraine, then they deliberately, preemptively switch off the major power suppliers, which makes it easier overall. Even after the rockets hit the distribution points, it makes it easier later to repair and to redistribute. So actually, our electricity system, in conjunction with the military people, they are now able to mitigate the impact now. Still, there is general shortage of electricity. And this is now transformed into a schedule by which certain parts of the city are switched off in turns. The cities, the local authorities are trying to follow a certain schedule. It's not always 100% accurate, but the whole country is now transforming into buying generators, diesel generators, or petrol generators,